Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings Disclaimer. 200w CAR Power Inverter Car Power Converter featured with 2x US standard AC sockets, 4x USB charging ports, DC 12V to AC 110V converter provides power up to 180W, great for charging laptop, tablets, cell phone, Christmas gift, string lights, breast pump, CPAP machine, nebulizer, game console, Kindle, TV, DVD players, lights, iPad, and other electronic devices. Travel kit just about credit card size, 3. 2x2. 5x1. 5 inches, space-saving and easy storage, extremely portable and lightweight at only 8 ounce plus. Multi-protection and smart cooling FAN built-in multi-protection system provides full protection with short circuit, low voltage, overcharge, overvoltage, overload, over-temperature protection, built-in fuse. WARMTIPS only for DC 12V and car, not applied for DC 24V and airplane use. Do not use to power high-power electrical equipment. Thanks for watching and subscribe.